All right. We are doing. We're solving for speed and velocity today, guys. I'm gonna give you a lesson. I'm gonna go up here and do some notes for y'all. Would you pass these out?
We just do nothing.
Not enough. These you're gonna take notes on. These guys, pay attention. She's passing out. You're gonna take notes on that as I'm talking. You take notes. I'm gonna write it on the board, and you just copy it along as I go over it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna take attendance real quick. Isabella, Nathan,
I'm here.
Sophia,
Here.
Bennett,
Huh?
Elijah,
I'm not here.
Jonas, Ella,
Here.
Deja.
I need an
Thanks.
extra.
You need what?
You got any more?
What is- sorry.
Sophia Brown. You only gave us 3.
I mean, let
There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Where? What time exactly?
420.
Thank you. No, I gotta go over this lesson right now. So. Appreciate it. Deja Gray. Okay.
I love my number, guys.
Nene.
Actually,
Caleb.
I'm really honestly that's why
Lena. No Lena.
I like there's just
Lena Hill.
it's Karia.
What's that?
It's Karia. Last name is
Oh, I'm sorry. I did your middle name, didn't I? That's you. Karia. I'm so sorry.
Aria, Liana.
What is it? How's it?
Liana.
Liana. Thank you.
Karia.
I'm sorry, Karia.
Who?
Asia.
Here.
Judah.
Here.
Andrew.
Not here. He's not here today.
Diego.
Here.
Nina.
Here.
Naya.
Here.
Crystal.
Here.
Olivia.
Liv.
Liv. Gotcha. Joseph.
My name's
No Joe.
He's in the office.
Okay. And Sonia.
Hi.
Okay. All right. My little notes her. Hey, turn that off. All right. Everybody got something to write with? All right, guys. Like I said, today we're solving for speed and velocity. There's 3 formulas that's involved in this. The first formula is for distance. Then the other formula will be for speed, or it could be called velocity. And the third is for time. Let me give you the formula for distance first. Y'all see that? Everybody see that? All right, for distance, this is going to be your formula. Distances are measured in kilometers or meters or centimeters. And this is going to be the formula. V for distance equals velocity or speed times multiplied by time. Am I going too fast, guys?
Yeah.
Second formula we're gonna go over is the time formula. Pardon my handwriting, it's terrible. This is measured in hours and seconds. And the formula for that looks like this. Can you see that? T equals D over V. When it's over like that, what kind of problem is that?
A fraction. A division.
And it's a fraction.
So now you got a baby out of KFC.
Can you see it? Oh, sorry. It's T equals D over V.
Alright,
Very good. And the third formula is going to be velocity or speed. V equals distance over time. Now see, whenever you guys are solving these things, the main thing she wants you to remember, and this will help you out a lot when you're looking at the problem, you're trying to figure out the formula. Whatever you're solving for, say if you're solving for distance, cover it up. You have this left, speed right next to time. So it's speed times, it gives you the formula if you cover up for what you're solving. See it here? Same thing. Now say you were solving for speed. If you covered it up, you have this left. Distance over travel. See, it's a fraction. It gives you the formula if you just cover it up. Same thing for this. It automatically gives you a fraction. So that helps you out. Cover up the triangle and that gives you your formula. That'll help you out a lot. All right, let's go over that first problem in the first box here. A racehorse that wins the 3,200 meter cup in a time of 200 seconds. What is the racehorse speed? So what are we looking for? Speed. Speed or velocity. So go ahead and solve for that, and once you guys get that, we'll go over it. Yes?
Is it 16 meters per second?
You got it. Pretty good. But that's all right. You guys go ahead and still show your work. I want everybody to work through it and do it on your own. Write it out so you have it in your notes. Huh? Even though he said it, work it out. Show your work and do it on the paper. So you'll have the notes when it's time to do your work. Because I got a worksheet for you guys. You're going to need these notes to be able to do it. So make sure you're getting this down. Solve it. Once you get it all solved, then we'll move on to the next one. Because I want everybody to have this on their notes. We're solving for speed on this. Remember the formula for speed. Speed equals. Need a calculator? Where's the calculators at, guys?
Right there.
That's one. Going off slow.
Oh, he's very smart.
There you go.
That's 17. Like I'm right, please. 17.
Isn't this 51.3?
Yeah, it's just making my back.
Oh.
It's 20.
Big thing on the first one, guys. You gotta show your work, and you have to have the label. See what I have here? Miles and seconds. You have to have that on there, or it isn't correct. So you gotta look at your word problem and see what it's asking for, and then label. What's wrong with your eyes for?
I'm not looking.
You alright? You understand what I'm saying, guys?
Yeah.
You guys go ahead and work through the rest of these problems. If you need me to help or show you anything, just raise your hand and let me know. You guys can handle that? Alright? Yes. This is the formula for the second one. To the right, on the top.
How'd you get it repeated? Yeah, that's what you divide.
You around? Mr. Terry, you around?
No, I don't think so. Just to the nearest, yeah, if it repeats, yeah, round it up. This is the answer for number 2 on the top right. 17 miles per hour. 51 divided by 3. Everybody see that? All right, the second column is asking, what is the velocity of a rocket that goes 700 kilometers north in 25 seconds? So what are we looking for? Velocity. We're looking for velocity, guys. And that is distance over time. So you plug in the 700 on the top, you plug in the 25 on the bottom, and you solve. Velocity is 28 kilometers a second. All right, the fourth one. If the velocity of a car is 45 kilometers per hour west, how far can it travel in 0.5 hours? So what are we looking for? Yeah, we're looking for distance, but it is a time problem. We're looking for distance, so that's the formula for distance, which would be distance equals velocity multiplied by time. Plug in your numbers. 45 times 5, and you get 22.5. What? What's my label? Millimeters. Good job. The next one will be ours. This one out here. How much time does it take a person to walk 8 kilometers east at a velocity of 4 kilometers per hour? Got it. Yep. You put time. We're trying to find the time, right? Equals distance over velocity. So we had 8 kilometers, right? Versus 4 equals 2 hours. And the last one.
4,452.
The speed of sound in the air is roughly 1,484 miles per second. How far in meters would a sound wave travel in 3 seconds? So your formula, distance equals speed versus time. And that's gonna be 1,484 times 3 equals 4,452 what? Anybody know the label for that last one?
It's meters.
That's pretty fast.
Good. All right, got a work assignment for you guys here. That's the notes to help you get the assignment done. Yeah, you ain't gonna be happy with this one. That's what everybody keeps saying, but it's a formula thing right here.
Oh, that's why she said bring colors. I know colors.
Yeah, we have colors here. There's a color worksheet on this, guys.
Ella, can you give me one?
This is your homework or your work to get it done. It's not.
They're adding new color.
That's not what this is. It's wired in.
I wanted to do
People calling me. Go ahead. Isabel, main office. Gentlemen, you go first. No. Go. You guys good? Science guy.